Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel PickGadgets. Today, I have an exciting unboxing and review for you. I'll be sharing my thoughts on the amazing Grid 4S frame from Grid Studio. First of all, I want to thank Grid Studio for sending this out to me for review. They offer a wide range of frames, not just for Apple products, but also for game systems and other devices. So, let's jump right into the unboxing. And here it is, the stunning Grid 4S frame. Just take a look at it. The packaging itself is very impressive, with a high-end vibe. I love the attention to detail. Now, let's remove the cover and see what's inside. There it is, the lovely Grid 4S frame. Before I dive into the build quality, let me give you a closer look at everything inside the frame. The build quality of this frame is top-notch. The glass on the front feels great, and the sides are made of a solid wooden frame, giving it a premium feel. Plus, it comes with pins on the back, making it easy to mount on your wall. Inside the frame, you'll find around 20 individual components from an old iPhone 4S meticulously placed and glued on a white background. What's really cool is that each component is labeled with measurements, so you know exactly what you're looking at. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Grid 4S frame from Grid Studio. If you're considering purchasing one, I'll make sure to include the link in the description below. Let me know in the comments what you think about this frame. Did you like it as much as I did? I'll catch you all in the next video. Thanks for watching and peace out.